Yo, it's Sway.
Sway.
Sway. Sway.
Sway.
Sway.
Sway.
In the morning.
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 Only on Shade 45.
Wake your fuck ass up.
Yeah. Bitches.
Wow, I can hear myself.
Yeah. This still
crazy.
bugging you out?
Can I do it without it?
Yeah, if you do that acapella, I think they're ready now.
Oh,
Yeah, the 10 minutes. The 10 minutes went by, Tyler. I was counting. I gave Sway the win.
We got through them questions now. You doing acapella, son.
Acapella.
Acapella.
Listen.
No beat.
Listen.
You could be written.
Badass bitch. Big ass titties, man. Got fucking AK size of a fucking minivan. Woo! Listen.
It's a big ass gun.
Y'all niggas got problems? Then y'all do it. So much fucking money in my pockets, I fucking walk stupid. Hold on.
Hold up. Watch out.
Stupid, yo.
Bad bitch, look good in some nice pants. Bet my bitch look good in some nice pants. Niggas see me, they be like, shit, goddamn, AK-47 tucked in that nigga nice pants. Hold on.
Hold up.
Y'all got a little nigga started on some G shit. Who that nigga that looks swagged out? That's me, bitch. Don't play with a nigga money or his fucking family. I got goon niggas named Jonathan and one named Tammy. Y'all niggas got a fucking problem, say it to my fucking face. Got little niggas that'll sock you in the fucking face. And if you think that they won't sock you in your fucking face, hey, you a bitch, I'll pop you right in your fucking face.
Damn.
That kid is hard. That kid is hard. Tyler, the creator, man. Punch the camera, dog. Don't hesitate if it's pissing you off.
You fucking, my name is my name. You ever had a fucking hot dog, nigga? Fucking mayonnaise, nigga. Fucking general. Fucking body, you nigga. Nigga.
Damn, man. That's the hardest thing I ever heard. Wow, man. Had to get him that trophy.
These niggas, man, they got me started, Sway. I'm about to cry and shit.
Don't cry, man.
Oh, these niggas got me started,
Man, get him
nigga.
some tissue.
No, I'm good. I'm good, nigga.
Let the tears
I'm
roll,
good, nigga. I'm from Uptown, nigga. I'm good,
Let the tears
nigga.
fall, man. Hey, man, Tyler, man, I appreciate you coming by, man. Hey, listen, man. We've been meaning to do this, man. We've been having to do this.
Hell yeah.
You got to come back, though, so we can sit down when you got more time, man, and bring the whole fucking collective.
Everyone, that's like 30 niggas, man.
Yeah, okay, don't
60.
bring all of them. Just bring a third of them, all right? Don't all. I can't feed all them motherfuckers. Taco.
Yeah.
I ain't got that kind of food on me, bro.
We don't really.
I might eat it all.
He'll eat it all.
You eat it all,
Hell,
Jasper?
man.
I like
Now,
that.
Ashley, I'm about to start working now. I'm about to get my beast body popping.
Word. You ain't got far to go, man. You gonna keep
Stop
rocking
lying
on
to this nigga.
Okay, man.
You
got
just a
to
fucking hater. You wish you was fat.
All right. I like that flower hoodie too, man. That's
Thank
real-
you. It's really pretty, right?
Yeah. It gives me a different reaction.
Looks like a princess.
It's a great contrast. It's a great contrast. Hey, man, our future, man. Hey, listen, Taco, Jasper, Tyler, the creator.
April 2nd, if you want to buy a really shitty album with horrible protection, it has like no features on
No
it. So it
features
probably
on
won't
it?
even spark your fucking interest.
You produced the whole thing, though.
Yeah, that's
What's
why
the
it's
name of
fucking
it?
horrible. It's Wolf.
Okay.
WOLF in all caps. I don't play that lowercase shit.
Got you.
I'm a goon, man.
Man, that's Heather B right there. Legendary, man. When you do get features, you should have Heather do a verse
Yo,
on one.
fucking just throw a fucking verse down. Let these niggas know you're not playing, B. Word life,
Throw a
man.
beat on.
These niggas ridiculous,
Throw a
yo.
beat on.
Like, I ain't fucking playing. You ever had a hot dog, nigga? With fucking mayonnaise, nigga? From New York, Uptown, nigga?
I had one.
Like a liquid.
I don't know.
All right, man.
My
Tyler,
guys.
the creator, y'all. Hey, man,
Hell
thank
yeah.
you, brother. We got Bilal coming up next in our Sway in the Morning concert series. Yeah, it goes down like
here?
that. Playing live, all right? All right, you want to talk to Bilal, 888-742-3345.
What's that number? I want to talk to that nigga.
It's Sway in the morning. Only on Shade 45.